In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit Python 2025, a powerful and accessible online environment for coding in Python. Whether you're just getting started with coding or you're an experienced developer, Replit offers a seamless and collaborative platform to work on your projects. So let's dive in and walk through the essential steps to get you started. First, you'll want to head over to replit.com. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is a quick and easy process. For those who are returning users, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Replit homepage, which serves as your control center for all your coding activities. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel with various options. Here, you'll want to click on Developer Frameworks. This section is specifically designed to help you quickly access the various languages and tools Replit supports, allowing you to set up your development environment with ease. Next, look for the +Create button and give it a click. This is where you'll begin the exciting journey of creating your new project. Following that, you'll need to select Python from the list of languages. Replit supports a plethora of programming languages, but since we're focusing on Python today, simply choose it to build your project in this versatile language. Once you've selected Python, it's time to name your project. Be creative or straightforward. It's entirely up to you, but make sure it's something you'll remember. Once you've decided on a name, click on +Create App. With that, your personalized Python environment is ready to go. Now, you're set to start coding. The main editor is where you'll write your Python code. It's user-friendly and provides syntax highlighting, which makes it much easier to read and write code. When your code is ready, the next step is to execute it. Look for the Run button, typically located towards the top of your screen, and give it a click. This will execute your code, and you'll be able to see the output right there in the browser. It's that simple. As you develop your project, you might need to manage various files or install additional packages. The left panel of your screen is your go-to resource for this. It allows you to access files, add new ones, or explore packages to enhance your project. Finally, Replit makes collaboration incredibly easy. Once your project is ready to be shared, or if you're looking to work with someone else, click on the Share button. You can invite collaborators by sending them an invite link, making it a breeze to work together on the same code base. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to start coding in Python on Replit. It's an excellent platform for both individual projects and collaborative efforts, offering a robust set of tools for developers. Happy coding!